up, guys? This is your Kuya Rod of Love and Tribe. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a special, what you call, sausawan.
Dip sauce, dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce, yeah, dipping sauce, okay? It's like a continent, okay? Dipping sauce. Alright, so the primary ingredients that we are going to use is actually the red and green hot chili. This chili is actually very hot, we call this siling labuyo. So we'll be using some plastic hand gloves, okay, when we handle this, okay. And of course, we have cleaned this already, as you could see, you could no longer see the stem, just like this one, okay. So we have to remove this stem, so be careful when you remove. You have to use a plastic gloves, okay. So that's it. We will discard this, we will not include in the blending, okay. So okay, guys, just put it there. And of course, this garlic, we have peeled already this garlic. I think this is something like about 7 cloves of garlic, okay. And we will be using also vegetable oil. Actually, this is a canola oil, 100%. Very good, okay. Canola oil is very healthy, less fat compared to other cooking oil. And yeah, this amount, okay. And with this, initially we'll just use a small cup, okay, of oil, okay, when we blend. And when we blend this one, of course we have to, we could mix them all together at once, Okay, so we'll use this blender, okay, put it there. And of course, the red and green hot pepper. Siling labuyo po to, Right. Okay. Just have to put them all together. And of course, we have to put this 1 cup of this canola oil. Okay. There. Okay. That's still strong. My love is laughing at me.
Because you're the Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
I'm here, Superman. Alright, so we'll use this small cup, okay?
It's 1 cup.
Yeah, small cup. Yeah, 1 cup, it's 1 cup, but small cup anyway. Alright, so we'll pour it in here. Okay. Look. Okay, so we'll add half cup, okay? Or maybe I'll just estimate, not calculate, but estimate. Okay. Yeah, that's about half cup. Yeah, that's about half cup, right? Okay. Yeah, we don't need to be accurate. Actually, doesn't harm us if we put a little bit more, but it's good that,
That's okay now, yeah.
That seems very, very good level of oil, okay? And if we don't put oil, actually, we don't put liquid, it's hard to blend, you know that, right? So whenever you blend some fruit or any veggies, we put a little bit of liquid. Just like those bubble tea, right? We put milk. Okay, so we'll blend it. Make sure that this is fully covered. Right? There. Okay. There. So let me see if this is good enough. I think it's already good enough, right, Hala? Yeah, my love is putting her thumbs up. Oh boy! Is this what you like, Ala?
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, very good. You see that? We'll pour it in here, okay? I'm almost tempted to put some ginger here to make a little bit twist, you know, but my love, she said that it's a little bit different taste. But anyhow, maybe next time, for the sake of comparison, we'll try a small tuber of ginger. Cooking time with Kuya Rod of Love and Tribe. Of course, my love is here. She's my assistant now. I used to be her assistant, but today, it's your Kuya Rod's time to shine. Okay. To shine nga ba? Huh?
You are already shine.
Shiny.
Look at your...
Shiny nga ba? Shiny? Oh. Shiny nga.
Shine.
Okay. Oh boy. Yeah. We'll stir this, but of course this is hot now, so I have to put this handle of our salad mustard. Yeah. Yeah. My wife is worried that it might be burned. No, my love. We'll just turn that down a little bit. Okay. Guys, I have to turn on our exhaust. It will be noisy, but of course I have to remove that portion. So guys, patiently we have to stir it so that we avoid burning at the bottom of the cooking pot. Okay. Yeah, actually, when this cook later on, you could combine with the salted shrimp, but don't mix it here. You'll just mix it together when you will eat, because some people, they don't want the smell or the odor of salted or fried salted shrimp, you know, the small shrimp. Bagong alamang sa Tagalog. Okay. Right, so guys, we are almost done. Ito, makikita ninyo. At medyo brownish na ang kulay, you know. Even the garlic, brownish na po. This is already cooked. Yeah, we'll just have to let it cool down a little bit because the cooking top is still hot. Okay, so we just keep on stirring a little bit. Yeah, nakita po nyo. Ang sarap po niyan. This is really, it will enhance the taste of your food. Okay? Especially when you're eating mungo. Or
Even the soup. Yeah,
in the soup, you could actually scoop, you know, a little bit like that and put in your soup. Oh boy, it will actually enhance, you know. So, even though you don't have chili in your soup, but if you have this, yeah, it could make a big difference. Yeah, because this is chili and garlic and this is already salted or fried. Okay, so this is really good, and we'll just have to cool it down, and we'll put in some glass jar or any glass container, you know, and put in the refrigerator, not in the freezer, but just in the refrigerator. Well, actually, you could even put it outside, you know, but
yeah, because it's cooked already.
Yeah, it's cooked already. So guys, ito yung ating blended chili, you know, paste. Napakasarap siyang ihalo, guys, arroz caldo, no? Nakita naman ninyo, no? Ito yung arroz caldo na napakasarap. At if you will put this, it will add bite, a little bit bite, ano. So, yeah guys. So, gumawa kayo nitong blended chili paste. It's really good. Masarap siya at nagpapatingkad ng linamnam, ano, sa ating pagkain. Alright.